Yung mga mami dyan, mga dalaga o kahit ano ka pa, kung naghahanap ka ng work from home, eto na yon, swak na swak sa'yo, full-time with benefits, kahit wala kang experience at wala kang degree, okay na okay lang. Hello guys! So ang pag-uusapan natin today ay ang Fast Track FBA. So kung isa kayong nanay na kailangan yung mag-alaga ng mga anak sa bahay and at the same time gusto nyong kumita at gusto nyong mag-try ng maging virtual assistant, kahit wala kayong experience, may possibility na ma-hire kayo dito dahil i-consider nila yung application nyo kahit wala kayong VA experience, dahil right after ma-hire nila kayo is magbibigay sila ng free training para sa inyo. Natin yung mga information dito. Ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating malaman or mga information na kailangan nating malaman before tayo mag-start mag-apply. So, can I apply without experience? So, ang answer nila dito is yes, you may apply without experience because we will provide you with a 7-day free training. So, diba ang ganda? Kasi malalagay mo yan sa portfolio mo and then matututo ka at the same time. Free lang siya, diba? So kung sakaling ma-hire ka, is kumita ka na, natuto ka pa, diba? And how soon can I reapply? So, for example, nag-apply ka, then hindi ka na-hire. So, pwede ka mag-reapply sa kanila, i-consider pa rin nila yung application mo for the second, third time, or fourth time after 30 days. So, magpahinga ka muna. Mag-research ka muna about sa company and kung paano mo prove sa kanila na may potential ka, di ba? What is the minimum system requirement? At least i5 with 8 GB RAM yung kailangan nila sa system. So, check nyo na lang yung mga PC nyo or laptop nyo. Then, can I use wireless internet connection? Example, prepaid broadband. So, ito yung medyo technical sila, medyo strict sila ng konti. Nagre-require sila ng fast and stable internet connection of not less than 25 Mbps, both download and upload. So, kailangan mabilis yung internet connection nyo. I'm outside the Philippines. Can I apply? So, para to sa mga OFW or yung mga nasa ibang bansa. Currently, nasa ibang bansa. So, at the moment, hindi sila nag-hire outside Philippines. So, at the moment. So, hopefully, mabago or hopefully mag-accept sila as long as Filipino ka. Kahit saan ka mang country, sana mag-accept sila, diba? Do you provide equipment? So, no. You should provide your own equipment. And, do you accept part-time applications? So, dito guys, kailangan talaga mag-effort ka, ibigay mo yung at least 8 hours of your time a day. Kasi parang 8 hours ata to, Monday to Friday, yung shift. Not sure lang kung staggered yung oras or meron silang time in, time out na matatrack nila kung ano oras ka nag-work or ano oras ka matatapos. So, ayun, full-time lang siya. Then, when will I know the status of my application? So, ito, right after interview mo, ikukonta ka nila within a week or 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, kung successful ka. Then, kung hindi ka naman makarinig or makareceive ng email from them, so meaning you didn't make it to the next level. So, okay lang. Ghosting din sila, di ba? So, meron silang community. Pwede ka mag-join sa community nila na merong 200 virtual assistants, work process step by step. So first, you have to apply for a position. Mapili nila yung CV mo or application mo, then mapuproceed ka for an interview with a team. So, eto dito lang guys, medyo mag-effort please. Pag may natanong naman sa inyo, somehow makakasagot naman kayo and makikita yung potential ninyo as VA, 'di ba? Then once ma-hire kayo, So, dito na kayo mag-undertake ng training. Free training to. With 1 full day of online video training, and then yung remaining 6 days is 1-to-1 and group training sessions na siya. So, right after the training, dito na, hanapan na nila na kayo ng client, and then pwede na kayo mag-start as a virtual assistant. So, balik tayo dito, pwede na tayong, mind you guys, dito kayo sa may purple na apply now, okay? Itong hire your own virtual assistant, ito yung para sa mga client. So, i-check natin, apply now. Ano nga ba yung position na yun? Full-time position siya, product research for Amazon seller with free 10-day in-depth training, o 10 days pa pala yan siya. So, yung job description niya is mahaba-haba siya, pero ang nakalagay naman dito, no experience is required. So, somehow, di ba, i-consider naman nila, magko-consider naman sila ng mga applicants na wala talagang experience or yung mga newbie, as long as makita nila yung potential ninyo, di ba? Tapos, basahin na lang to para magka-idea kayo at least before yung interview ninyo, para ma-research nyo tong mga questions, para kung may questions man sila regarding dito sa role, at least masasagot ninyo. Tapos yung requirements and competency, basahin nyo lang din para magka-idea kayo, but still lagi nyong isipin na kahit no experience kayo and newbie, okay lang yan, mag-a-accept sila ng kahit wala pang experience. Okay, so lahat to matututunan nyo to during training. And then yun lang, you have to make sure na meron kayong desktop, laptop, tapos i5, RAM 8GB, tapos make sure na may webcam, quiet and professional workstation. So ito yung tingnan natin yung offer pag ma-hire na kayo. So, this is, yung position niya is full-time. Opportunity to learn different facets of e-commerce operations, career advancement opportunities. Tapos, yung monthly salary niya is 25,000 net. Alam ko ito is peso na. Converted na siya sa peso. And then, payable twice a month. So, para ka lang din talagang yung regular na talaga nag-work as sa office, ganyan. 25,000 is kumbaga basic lang din yan sa Pilipinas, diba? Basic pay, but still imagine nakakapag-work ka sa bahay mo lang, and you don't need to mag-exert effort para lumabas pa. And not bad kung newbie ka, kung nagsistart ka pa lang and meron kang automatic na 25,000, diba? And then, flexible work schedule. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Not sure lang kung dire-diretso yung 8 hours na yan, or meron silang application na matatrack yung log in, log out nyo para matotal nyo yung 8 hours a day nyo for 5 days a week. And then, may 13-month kayo pay, and then paid vacation and sick leave, and paid holidays. So, kung gusto nyo pa ng more information, i-click nyo lang ito. Yan, marami yung mga babasahin dyan. Then, on the go na kayo mag-apply, o i-push na yan, I'm interested. Then, pwede kayo dito mag-apply with Indeed, kung meron kayong account sa Indeed, or pwede na mismo dito sa may site nila, mag-upload kayo ng resume ninyo. And, ayan, yung mga basic information lang, if i-fill nyo lang yan, then, submit application lang.